Hi everyone, I'm JJ Sten with Epic Charter Schools. Welcome to the Healthy Habits Cooking Show. Today I'm joined by Marsha Martin, our Healthy Habits Specialist, and Luis Ortez, our Hispanic Programs and Service Specialist. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious Puerto Rican tortilla.
Thanks, JJ. I am so excited to be back with you today. And Luis, it's great to have you here on the set. He's going to teach us how to make a Puerto Rican tortilla, but since we are so close to Easter, you're also going to give us a little Hispanic culture lesson on that as we go into Easter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Let's get started. First, we need to gather our ingredients. We need 5 to 6 eggs.
Okay.
Sometimes we can add more eggs if we have a big family, or we can reduce the size by putting less eggs.
Okay.
But normally, for a family of 3 or 4, 5 eggs is sufficient.
Did we turn this on?
It's already on low.
Okay.
We can put it in medium to get it ready and set.
Okay.
And after that, we spray the pan to avoid anything getting stick into it.
Okay.
And after that, we can add 1 spoon of recadito, which is and this is basically a bunch of vegetables mixed together, especially green pepper, onion, and garlic.
So 1 spoon of that?
1 spoon.
Okay, yep.
Eggs or pan?
And the eggs.
And the eggs. Yep. That's enough.
Okay. What next?
And then after that, we can add 1 teaspoon of the adobo, which is a mix of salt, pepper, and garlic.
Okay, a teaspoon of adobo.
Adobo. It's basically a mix of salt, pepper, and garlic.
That is what you get down into.
Okay.
There you go. It's enough. You can just repeat it. Yep, there you go. That's enough. That's
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
That's good.
It's good.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
Okay. What else do we need?
We need 3 spoons of pollock.
The pollock?
This time.
Okay. And if you've already cooked it?
It's already pre-cooked. Normally you boil it for around 30 minutes.
Okay.
And after it's boiled, you drain the water and you break it with your hands to get those little pieces. It's easy to eat and mix.
Okay. Well, it already smells good.
Yeah.
And lastly, we can add some ham and cheese. Only 1 slice of ham this time.
Okay.
And break it. We can break it with our hands and just put some pieces on it.
All right. You're doing a great job today. This is going to be good. I can't wait to try it.
Well, now that all the ingredients are in, we can mix it up or
mix it up.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Some people use milk to add more amount of the product at the end. At this time, we don't add milk, but we can add milk if you like.
Add a little cream. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Now that it's mixed, this is ready to go. We can put that in there.
Okay. You want to do that, or you want me to?
You can.
Okay.
Basically, we have before we flip, because it's a 2-side basically tortilla. You have to wait until this dry. And when you see it's dry, you can flip it and get that brown color.
Luis, would you give us a little bit of history as to why we're doing this?
Yeah, normally the tradition in the Hispanic countries is during this time of the year, close to Easter, many families, based on many belief, they don't eat meat.
Okay.
And in order to avoid meat, they cook with fish and egg in order to eat it throughout the day.
Okay.
In my family, we eat this
to get their protein in.
Protein, and it have a lot of phosphorus too, because the fish, and it help you to stay healthy. Many this comes from my grandma and my grandpa. They used to give me this throughout this time of the year for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Oh wow!
It was
wow.
It's a traditional dish.
Yeah.
Yeah, and basically that's the reason why. They just trying to stay within the beliefs and values what they believe for Easter.
Okay. Well, that's amazing. I love getting the history behind this as we're going into the Easter week. Starting to heat up here.
Just put it on high.
Okay.
To get the process faster.
And then we just wait until this kind of
dry up.
Dries up? Okay.
Yeah, you will see it look like an omelet, The only different, the American omelet, some people fold it, and this one just stay completely flat. It doesn't get fold. And what families do, they cut it into different slices, like a cheese or like a pizza, and they give it to the families.
Okay, Louise, it looks like it's about ready to be flipped, or are we about done?
Yes, Martha, it's already dry, and J.A. is already dry, and it's ready to flip.
Okay.
Sometimes...
We'll let you show that to us.
Yeah, basically, you can grab one. When it's really dry, one is enough. But sometimes, like, you two, and it basically, you hold it with one, make sure that you get under, and then the other one, you go right side by side, lift it up, hold it with this one.
Oh, I
when
learned
you see
something
that
there.
color, when you see that brown color, that means it's ready to eat.
Well, thanks, Louise. We should also mention that pollock fish is a good source of protein. It's low in saturated fat and low in calories as well. And it's a good source of vitamin B12, magnesium, zinc, and potassium.
And eggs are a high quality protein as well as a good source of iron.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us today on the Epic Charter School's Healthy Habits Cooking Show. We hope you have enjoyed this recipe and learned some new cooking skills.
I did, Marcia, so thank you very much. And you too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We should mention that pollock fish is a good source of protein, and it's low in saturated fat and low in calories, as well as a good source of vitamin B12, magnesium, zinc, and potassium.
And eggs are a high quality protein as well as a good source of iron.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for joining us today on Epic Charter School's Healthy Habits Cooking Show. We hope you've enjoyed this recipe and learned some new cooking skills. I know I did.
Yeah, I learned a lot, and thank you too.
Thank
Louise
you.
and Marcia.
It's been a pleasure cooking with everyone today. But we'll see you next time for more healthy and delicious recipes. Bye for now.